This vehicle is a German Stug III assault gun. It is located at the Canadian War Museum in the Italian campaign section of the World War II permanent exhibition. As you can see, the Stug still has extensive damage to it, but this gives us the opportunity to see inside of it. How and when the damage was caused is a bit of a mystery. The museum's website entry for the Stug is very short on details. I've linked it in the description below. Canadian historian Harold Scarup claimed that this Stug, serial number R5453, was brought to Canada thanks to Farley Mowat and his intelligence collection team working in the Netherlands in 1945. The Stug was eventually placed at an artillery range where it served as a range target. Which range it was located at is unclear, with Valcartier, Shiloh, Meaford, and Petawawa being offered as possible locations. It was eventually recovered by the Canadian War Museum and restored to the current condition you see today. Canadians faced many of these Stugs in Italy, as many of them were built into the Gothic line. Check out this video of a German Panther tank that is also located at the Canadian War Museum.